Hello friends, this is another tutorial in the series of DHTML. Today we will learn about creating custom objects in DHTML. An object is an instance of a class. A class represents a real-world entity. There are inbuilt classes in DHTML like image and array. Date is also an inbuilt class. There are two types of class that can be instantiated. The first object is parameterless and the other needs to have parameters to instantiate it. So in this tutorial, we will create our custom object and set its properties and then show the properties to the user. In DHTML, declaration of custom object is similar to a function. Here we are defining the object named user object. That's it. Here we have defined a custom object, but it doesn't do anything. We need to set its properties is equal to parameter this dot last name is equal to Smith. So what we are doing is assigning the first name property to the parameter and the last name property to Smith. So this is our custom object. Now we need to create an object, that is we need to instantiate this object is where v is equal to new user object John. It will assign first name property with the value of John. Then we are providing the alert box v dot first name. We are basically just providing the alert boxes to show the properties of our custom created object last name. There is no need to assign the value of last name as it is already defined when we create the object. Then we end the script tag. Then when preview the script into the browser, the output will be like this. So this is the alert on the first name and this is the last name. So it was a tutorial about creating custom objects in DHTML. Thank you.